Do you know that for YouTube to suggest your video, that is for your videos to appear on YouTube's suggested feed, is something that you can actually control? It's just by fixing some of your settings, and then YouTube will start suggesting your videos to a wider audience. Now make sure not to skip any part of this video because all the parts are very important. Now, for YouTube to recommend your videos and for YouTube to suggest your videos are two different things. Now, YouTube recommendation comes naturally from YouTube when you have optimized your title and your description with SEO keywords. They will be recommended, your videos will be recommended. Now, your SEO game needs to be tight, and then YouTube can recommend your videos. That is to say, the YouTube algorithm does not hate you. The YouTube algorithm is not against you. The YouTube algorithm just has not found enough reasons to recommend your videos because your videos do not have SEO keywords. Now you have to give the YouTube algorithm a reason to recommend your videos, and that reason is using SEO keywords in your title and in your description. If you're still watching at this time, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so. Now, immediately you are done watching this video, go to your YouTube studio and edit all your videos to activate these three settings I'm about to talk to you about. Make sure to watch this video till the end because all the steps are very important. One step leads to the other and you don't want to miss out on any of them. Now, the first step on my list is using playlists. Now, one of the ways to get YouTube algorithm to suggest your video is by using playlists, and you can simply create a playlist just like this. Now, this is my YouTube Studio app. I've gone ahead to click on content, which is the second icon on my left, and I have also clicked on videos. Now, if I touch on this video, as if I want to edit the video, I'll click on this playlist. Now at the bottom I'm going to see new playlist. Now I'll click on that new playlist and touch on this part that says new playlist. Now it's going to let me create a new playlist. Let's just say grow faster. Now that's what I want the name of this playlist to be. So I'll come here, make sure that the visibility of your playlist is always set to public, and then I'll click on create. Now I have created a playlist. So if this video was not in any playlist, I would have been able to now add this video now to a playlist. So any video that is not in a playlist, you can use the same method to add the video to a playlist. Now you can add your videos to one video to more than one playlist. In fact, it's even better to add one video to more than one playlist, so to increase your chances of getting more views. That's what I do. So before you post a new video, make sure to have copied a link, a playlist link from your YouTube, and then put it here in your description box so that you can get more views from that playlist link. When people read through your description and then they see more links and they would like to click and even watch more, you can see my description here. There are several links here. There are several links, video links and playlist link. See this: to get 1K subscribers, get more views. Those are playlists. You can see it here, playlist. And this one is a video. This other one is a video. Now you can make sure that you always have links in your video description. Every video you upload, make sure to always have them in your description. Now you can go ahead to preset this so that you don't have to always copy the link whenever you want to upload a video. If you want to know how you can preset this and always have it in your description once you are uploading your video without you having to copy and paste, let me know in the comments and I'll create a video for that purpose. The second strategy is by optimizing your end screen. Now, end screen are those little boxes that appear when a viewer watches your video till the end, suggesting more videos on your channel or more playlists on your channel for that viewer to watch. Now, that is just what end screen is. And remember, we're talking about how to get YouTube to suggest your videos. Now, when you use a playlist, more of your videos will be suggested. When you optimize your end screen, more of your videos will be suggested. Sure, you get it now. YouTube is going to be suggesting your videos to your viewers when you use this feature. So to add an end screen to your video is this same process, but you have to come to the right hand side and choose end screen. Now you'll be able to add an end screen to your video. Now you have a variety of options however you want to add your end screen. This video already has 3 end screens, so I'll go ahead to delete the end screen so that I can show you afresh how you can add an end screen. Okay, so this first one says import from latest video. The second one says 1 video, 1 subscribe. The third one says 1 playlist, 1 subscribe. The fourth one says 2 videos. The fifth one says 1 video, 1 playlist. And this last one, which is the sixth one, says 1 video, 1 playlist and 1 subscribe. So this last one is always the best option to use. Now let me go ahead to click on it. Now please note that if you don't shoot your videos in the 16:9 ratio, you are not going to be able to use this option. Except you shoot your videos in 16:9 ratio, that's the only time you can use this last option. Now I'll touch this part, this video part. It says most recent upload, best for viewer, or choose a specific video. Now if you have any specific video you want views on, then you can go ahead to put it there. But for me, I like to leave mine at most recent upload, so that any video I upload, any new video that's on my channel, whenever my viewers of my old videos watch till the end, they will be able to see that new video and engage on it. So now let's go to this part that says playlist. Now if you click on it, you'll be able to choose from all of your playlists which one you want to attach to this video. Now let me go ahead and choose this one that says how to get more views, and this one has 35 videos in this particular playlist. Now always make sure that you click on save. Now the sweetest part of using a playlist is that once your viewers click on this video, that part that says playlist, they will watch 1 video, and from that 1 video, the next video on the playlist, which is your video, will be suggested to that viewer. The third video on your playlist will be suggested to the viewer, and they may end up watching 5, 6, 7 or even more of your videos because they are in that playlist. So always use a playlist. If you've not been using a playlist before, you are very wrong. Go ahead now to edit the videos on your channel to include a playlist, and then I'll choose another video. I'll move the cursor again. I'll click on this place that says plus card and I'll select playlist. So I usually like to add like 2 videos and 2 playlists to my videos. So when it loads, I'll choose, let me choose this one that says viral tips. Now you can add more than 1, I forgot to mention, but you can add more than 1 video to your, so next you click on save to make sure that these changes will be effected on your video. Now always make sure that you add your videos. The third setting is using YouTube cards. Now believe me when I tell you, if you are not using YouTube cards, you are missing out on a whole lot. Now, YouTube cards usually pop up when a viewer is watching your video, and you can add as much as 5 cards on one video, and this can be a mixture of videos and playlists and even your channel to make people subscribe, just like you do when you use an end screen. But for end screen, it appears at the end of a video, and you know not every viewer watches a video till the end, so that's why a card is equally as important as an end screen. A card can pop up at any point of a video depending on where you fix it. Now to the third setting, which is cards. YouTube cards are very important. They usually just pop up at somewhere in between your videos when a viewer is watching. Now this, with cards, your viewer don't have to wait till the end of the video. As your video is playing, they will get to see your card. Now you have the option of adding 5 cards to your video. Now this particular video already has 4 cards. That's why you see these these lines, these things on top, because it has 4 cards already. Now let me go ahead to delete the cards on this video so that I can add it afresh for you. Now you have the option of adding a video, a playlist, and even a channel to your cards, but I like to add a video. I like to add videos and playlists. So let's click on video. Now we'll move the line a bit. So I'll click on video now, and then I'll choose the video I want to be added as a card. Please note that you cannot add one video 2 times. Now let me add this one. YouTube not recommending your videos. So when a viewer is watching, just see the way what I added now is at the top right hand. That's just how it will be on the video when my viewer is watching. Now I'll move the cursor again. I'll move the cursor again. I'll click on this place that says plus card. Click on playlist, and then I'll choose whichever playlist I want. So let me choose this one. I'll move the cursor a bit, and then I'll click on this plus card again. I'll select video, and then I'll choose another video. I'll move the cursor again. I'll click on this place that says plus card, and I'll select playlist. So I usually like to add like 2 videos and 2 playlists to my videos. So when it loads, I'll choose. Let me choose this one that says viral tips. Next, you click on save to make sure that these changes will be effected on your video. So if you have not been using cards on your videos, now go back and re-edit all your videos and include cards, include end screen, and create a playlist. If you are able to fix these 3 settings on your YouTube channel, you will see that YouTube will start recommending your videos back to back. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, drop me your comment, and also turn on the bell icon so that you are always notified whenever there's a new video up on my channel. Until next time, bye.